In this video I will explain how we tie up cucumbers in open ground. Our Ajax variety cucumbers were planted 2 weeks ago and have already grown noticeably. Now they will start to spread, but there is little space for them to spread out, so we will have to make a small trellis and lift them up. A similar system for tying up cucumbers is used in our greenhouse. In the previous video I showed how to do this. Here they are. They are not tied up yet, but we will do it soon. We need to make a kind of trellis like for grapes. For this we will need two pipes or wooden sticks each, meters long, and regular rope that is UV resistant. To make it easier to drive the wooden stake into the ground, it needs to be sharpened with an axe. This will be quite sufficient. After that, we drive 2 stakes on both sides of the cucumber row. The stakes are driven in. Now, we will stretch a UV resistant rope between them. Before tying up the cucumbers, it's advisable not to water them, because one careless move can pull the entire plant out of the ground along with the roots. But after tying, it is essential to water the cucumber plants, because the roots are slightly damaged, their contact with the soil is disrupted, and voids appear. The leaves that form at the bottom need to be broken off, because they hinder development, and various diseases can form on them. Here, 2-3 cucumber seedlings are planted in one spot, so it is necessary to run 1 string for each seedling up to the top trellis. We take a string and tie it near the root, about 1 centimeter from the ground for the cucumber. We make a small loop, not too tight, and with a gap so they can grow in thickness. And we tie it to the upper rope. Now we take the bush and start clockwise, or counterclockwise, wrapping it around the rope. Here the cucumber bush is tied, and as it grows we will continue to wrap the stem around the rope. In the same way we tie the other 2 cucumber bushes, but they will spread in different directions, like a tree. We tie the rope without a knot, with a loop, so that if necessary we can untie this spot and tighten the rope that supports the bush. Thus I have tied the cucumbers, and you can make the trellis a bit higher. But this is enough for me, because as they grow to the top rope, I will wrap them and throw them down. They will grow upwards and then hang down with fruits. Every few days it's advisable to wrap the cucumbers so that the branch doesn't hang and break.